All right, so my steps broke. I was using these levelers underneath to keep myself and my family from busting their ass. So my then I didn't want my wife to trip and fall. I was just gonna keep those levelers under there for the rest of the camping season and change out the steps later. But if she had fell, I would have never lived that down. So I wanted to make sure that I got those fixed. You gotta take out these 4 bolts. There's 2 on each side. And so it's fairly simple. I mean, it's kind of difficult to do by yourself, but you can do it. I did it. You want to get those bolts out. So I bought this Lippert 24-inch step staircase. These aren't the best steps. I put a stabilizer to go underneath the bottom steps. It looks just like the stabilizer that's on your RV, but it actually clamps underneath, and you can crank it higher or low depending on where you want it. But it holds 300 pounds weight capacity. And yeah, so this will do the trick. So here it is now. You want to make sure you put this in the right direction, because if you install this thing backwards, you're going to be pretty pissed that you got to take it all the way back off and put it back on. So I tested it first on the ground. I'm struggling with one hand because I got a camera in my hand, but you want to make sure this pulls out. I'll put the camera down. All right. And then I want to make sure this slides forward. There you go. And the steps pull out front. Because if I had installed that backwards, I would have put all those bolts in there and then had to turn it around, and that would not have been fun at all. All right, so there you have it. It's in, and a fairly easy install. And you just want to make sure it's in correctly. Again, I did buy a stabilizer to hold the bottom step so I won't break it again. All right, that's it, guys. You take care. Good luck if your steps break.